Hi, open Premiere Pro.
Opening Premiere Pro for you.
Yeah, click on New Project, blue button.
Clicking the New Project button.
Type test.
Typing test.
And click on Create.
Clicking create.
Yeah, that is how I created a new project in Premiere without touching my mouse and keyboard. Thank you.